Are you looking for the best brake bleeder kit? I have compiled a list of top 5 brake bleeder kit this year. These are hand-picked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. To get started, we have the Minivac MV6835. Minivac is a brand of automotive diagnostic and service repair tools since 1971. Beginning with the design and patent of a single handheld vacuum pump intended for medical applications. Its uses broaden to include automotive diagnostics and service as well as industrial and consumer applications. Model MV6835 extends the capabilities of MV6830 vacuum brake bleeder by including MVA6832 clamp-on auto refill kit. The refill kit ensures the master cylinder does not run dry of new fluid, making this kit an extremely efficient method of bleeding hydraulic brake and clutch systems. Minivac offers the products and systems you need for any brake and clutch bleeding application: air induction cleaning and compression testing, cooling system evacuation or refill application, for fluid handling and diagnostic applications. The best key features of this bleeder: the easiest way to bleed your brakes without the help of a second person. Variable control thumb throttle, and a quick disconnect coupler for accessories. The bleeder can evacuate up to 2 quarts per minute. Shop air operation and integrated 1.9 quarts capacity fluid collection reservoir. The automatic refill kit ensures the master cylinder does not run dry of new fluid. At number 2 we have the Phoenix Systems 2003B. Why we choose this bleeder and the reasons are: patented reverse bleeding removes more trapped air than any other brake bleeder by simply pushing brake fluid from the bottom up. Reverse bleeding is the only method capable of bleeding tough ABS units without a skin tool. Allows you to refill and bleed a completely dry brake or clutch system. Perform reverse, vacuum, pressure and bench bleeding all with the same tool. The V12 is considered a medium-duty tool for average shop use. Compatible with DOT3, 4 and 5.1 brake fluid. Comes with an injection molded hard case. Is the easiest one-person bleeder you will ever use. No more asking your coworker to help you finish a brake job. At number 3 we have the ABN Handheld Brake Bleeder. Let's talk about the best features of this bleeder. Bleed brakes or can food, use the ABN Universal 2-in-1 vacuum pump and brake bleeding tester kit to service the brakes. And test vacuum systems on your vehicle or even use as a canner to can food with an airtight seal. Easy to use, speed bleeder. Attach the tubing to the bleeder valve on a disc brake caliper, pump the vacuum, crank the bleeder valve, and watch the brake fluid flow through the tubing. Can also use the tubing and catch jar attached to the bleeder valves, and force the brake fluid out by pumping the brake pedal. Universal fit for all makes and models of vehicles. Built to last, solid brass cylinder, cylinder head and piston with anodized steel handle frame, 90-degree tapered adapters, cushioned pistol grip handle on vacuum pump for comfort and decreased user fatigue, tapered barbed hose fitting for vacuum pump. Easy storage, heavy-duty 2.5 by 14.2 by 9-inch plastic blow-molded carrying case, with handle for easy transportation, safe storage, and quick organization. Package contents: package includes a pump with precision gauge, 2 2-foot tubes, multi-use adapters, and a brake fluid reservoir packed inside a plastic blow-molded carrying case for your convenience. At number 4 we have the Minivac MV8500. Minivac pump kits combine our hand vacuum/pressure pumps with accessories carefully selected to provide the most comprehensive kits available for automotive servicing. Minivac offers kits for simple, clean and quick one-person brake bleeding, as well as more extensive kits for testing and diagnosing hundreds of automotive-related functions. The MV8500 Silverline Elite Automotive Kit delivers both vacuum and pressure. The dual capability of the Minivac hand pump combines 2 pumps into one. It will streamline your tool inventory while greatly extending its vehicle service applications. Minivac offers the products and systems you need for any brake and clutch bleeding application: air induction cleaning and compression testing, cooling system evacuation or refill application, for fluid handling and diagnostic applications. The final product in our list is the Motive Products 0108. Over the last 20 years, the Motive Products Power Brake Bleeder has been used by racers, enthusiasts, home mechanics, and professional mechanics. Many of these people have little or no experience in bleeding brakes, but were able to successfully use our tool to save time and money. To our great pride, the Power Bleeder has been universally praised as an effective tool that is simple to use. We have expanded our product line to include power extractors, for use in changing oil, to power fills for use in refilling transmissions and differentials. The main features of this bleeder. All bleeders come with everything you need to bleed your hydraulic brake or clutch system. Fits Cadillac, Buick, Chevrolet, Oldsmobile, Pontiac, Saturn. Comes with adapter 1108. Built-in hand pump, no other pressure source is needed. Precision pressure gauge ensures safe and effective operation.